What is up, guys? It's Dope Skillmaster here, and I will be playing some Slime Rancher with you guys. So let's get right into this. Or how I got it, but it's whatever. It's whatever. But let's collect some of these slimes. Let's get some of these. Give me a tabby. The tabby slime? Yeah, that's what it is. Tabby slime. Tabby. I'll just suck up all this fruit. I guess I don't need these now, because they're kind of pointless. I'll just... Oh, I'm gonna... Oh no. Ooh, I'm gonna collect some of these dudes, actually, instead. Come here. You know what I should have done? I'm gonna shoot all these back out. I'm gonna get their plorts instead, because that's the better idea. There we go. So if they turn into the pink ones, like if I feed them a plort and they eat the pink ones, then they can eat whatever they want, and it'll be less work. So that is a bonus. Alrighty, let's head back. I'm gonna open this first. Alright, they can eat that, I don't really care. Okay, I'll put them into here. And then I'll feed them these rock things. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Okay, now I just need this dude. Okay. Alright. I don't really need that many in there. So yeah, that should be a good amount. Alright. Ooh, high walls, yeah. I'll definitely do that. I'm just gonna like try to get money as fast as I can right now. I don't need that. I don't need all of you. Okay. 9 plorts on you. Sweet. Ooh, rock plort. Yeah, I'll take that. Take that any day. Plorts. The plorts. Okay. Get out of here. Okay, I'm gonna go explore this world a little bit more. See what there is. See what we need to do. I can't carry him. Go. Ah. Uh. Uh. Get away from me. Ooh. Ooh, a new door. A new door. Oh, it requires a slime key? Yo, come on. Oh, hey. There's a dude right here. Oh, you like meat? Here you go, buddy. We will find out in the next video on how to get the slime key. Because I do not know. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. I really hope you all liked it. And I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.